Right, it's getting, yeah, 12.3 amps, or 11.5 there. 100% the battery's on. Right, and if I show you what I'm doing, I'm actually running off of that, and this battery box is too small for that battery, so I've got it hooked up this way. Anyway, the point of the video is I already boiled a kettle. Now I'm running a little fridge. Right, so let's see that red light on, and then I don't know if you can hear that fan. I think there's a light in here. Yep, that's running, and it's not taking anything from the battery. It's just literally running on that 195 watt panel. Anyway, there you go.